With the growing popularity of sports and increasing attention on issues such as aging society and obesity, the global demand for materials used in tissue repair is growing. Biodegradable metal materials can reduce the risk of reoperation and seize a multi-billion-dollar global market. ITRI's biodegradable metal products have excellent mechanical properties and appropriate biocompatibility through biomedical iron-based powders and different additive manufacturing processes, controlling the degradation rate and enhancing bone healing to achieve the clinical purpose of complete autogenous bone replacement. At present, the application targets of ligament, tendon fixation devices have been developed, which will drive an industrial evolution and create business opportunities in the biomedical field in the future.